So in this video, we'll go through different capabilities that you have access to directly through uh, the Blackbox agent. So we're gonna share the screen and dive into what you'll be able to leverage, and for the different use cases that you have. So we'll quickly uh, go here and showcase the docs that you have access for, and you can see you have the local IDE, you have the CLI, you have the remote agent, you have it as a direct integration in VS Code, you have it as an on-machine agent, you have also the API where you get access to all the open source, closed source models, uh, all the image generation models that are available, video generation, and with also for different types of pipeline that you're looking to build, whether you're looking to build different agents, you can have directly the Blackbox API used for those use cases. So right now we'll be focusing more on the AI powered app builder that is the Blackbox agent running remotely and implementing those tasks. So we're going to take here one of these examples and we'll iterate on it. Um, so we're going to build an AI chatbot with different models at the same time, and we're going to let the user provide some code, and we want it to be reviewed by different AI models. So it's primarily yeah, primarily the purpose of this is mainly for code review. So we're gonna send this right here. So any task that you give to the Blackbox agent is always deployed and hosted, so you don't have to worry about managing that component into it. So and these are entirely uh, these apps are complete back end, front end. Uh, there's a database component into it. There's an authentication component into it, where you can add user logins and registrations. You can add also payment systems, and the use case that you can have from this is entirely uh, building a full app that can be fully deployed with custom domains. And okay, so here we're getting the plan. So it's starting off with a plan on this. If you're if you're a developer that wants to have a look at how it's being implemented, you can always take a look at the files and see them. We can hide it as well, and we can just here agree with the plan. So we're going to proceed, and at this point, it's mainly going to be doing the implementation. One thing also to point is that you have the ability to connect it to your own existing GitHub repos. So if you have some project that is on GitHub and you want to keep iterating on it, and you want to give tasks to the agent to be able to keep working on those tasks, you have the full control here to provide those tasks and let the agent fully implement it. So right now we're starting from scratch, so it's not there's no there isn't any pre-existing project. So we're building it here from scratch the first time. We're going to deploy it, and we're looking at here what's it doing. It's mainly starting with some markdown for code, syntax highlighting as well. And while this is ongoing, we'll probably also send a few different examples here. To generate images or videos. Okay, so we're gonna run another example with this one. But at the same time here, we can keep tracking. So it's going through the implementation. We can open this here. We can take a look at the files that are being implemented at the moment. So we have them over here. And now this is implementing a different task. So we're building an app to generate images and videos from text prompts for specific use cases. add style, batch generate media, enable downloads, turn your idea into visual or video using AI for creative projects, marketing, or other purposes. So now we have the plan right here. Should I proceed? So we're gonna let it proceed on this. So now we have these two that are currently running in parallel. We're gonna take a look at some of the other capabilities that we can showcase. One of the recent uh, uh, releases that were done were some of the key improvements on the code completion speed. If you're a developer that with the Blackbox IDE or the VS Code integration, you have the code completion that is at cutting edge speed with multi-line, with context, and you'll be able to leverage it if you're looking for the leveraging the assistant along with the agent while you're coding. I'll confirm that their screen is still good here. Yep. Um, Yeah, and while this is ongoing, what we'll do is we'll run another 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 test right here. So we're sending here a different type of task. You'll be able to notice the differences between the app builder um, over here versus the one that's directly through Blackbox.ai. They're both complementary, so you can work on one and the other at the same time. The one directly through Blackbox.ai will give you much faster results. So it's for quick turnaround on apps that you're looking to build. The one that's through the build the Blackbox, the app builder, actually here that we just opened, is allowing you to go deeper in the implementation, go into the database, go into the backend, into the user registration, management of users, uh, payment systems. So you have the ability to go through all of these components and also deploy it and have it scale to users that will be using your products. So now we're waiting for this. So now we have a billboard ad generator. So as you see, the quick turnaround here, this is very good for fast-paced development. And here at the same time, we're gonna take a look and compare the how in these cases we can go in more in depth on it. So we're gonna take here an example. We're gonna say uh, product name iPhone 16. Camera quality, Hollywood. Hollywood. Hollywood grade camera quality. Okay, and now we have also the size. We're gonna say landscape. Okay, and then we're gonna generate the billboard. So now we're gonna keep track of this. So we have the model selector for the code review. Because we told it initially that we want to have support for multiple models at the same time. And now the other task was to build it for creative projects, marketing purposes. This is with video generation capability and image generation as well. And this last one right here, there we go. So maybe we should show it like this. iPhone 16 release from Apple. We're gonna generate it again. Okay, there we go. So we see the iPhone 16 and we have it here. What we can also do is we have, this is the previous one. So we can download those uh, product benefits. So here we're gonna say, I want it to focus on the camera feature